thing your mother can't do is a cuss you on Christmas.
Yes, she can.
Yeah, no, she can. No matter if it's Christmas or your birthday,
No matter
she's
what
still
day.
a cuss.
Until the people come and then she behave like she nice.
Yeah.
This fall by my right hand. But I toast with the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only said the road and we go on with the
What's up, guys? I'm no longer sick.
Oh God, thank God.
I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
Today we have a special video.
Well, you know it's Christmas time. Christmas is in like 2 days.
Yeah, and we thought about
How Jamaicans celebrate Christmas.
So
what we love to do when it's Christmas time. So basically gonna tell you things that we do, we eat, anything we do to celebrate Christmas.
Yeah.
Around Christmas time.
Cause you don't know, we Jamaicans are different as usual.
We know how to celebrate.
Yeah, we celebrate it different. If you're from the Caribbean, you probably relate to this.
Yeah.
Comment down below, smash the
It
like
should be
button.
similar, probably
Yeah.
just different food.
Probably different things you guys do,
Yeah.
foods and stuff like that. Smash the like button right now if you want to be a part of the gang. Go ahead and subscribe. Your notification, gang notification. Oh, comment down below right now. Notification.
If you got my
triggers.
Christmas one.
Oh.
Notification jingle bells.
Notification jingle bell. If you comment down that below right now, comment down below notification jingle bells.
I think
Spell it the same way I say it. Jingle bell.
I think this sweater has made it maybe 2 Christmases on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Actually, yeah.
2 Christmases on YouTube and it can barely
Yeah,
fit.
that one. This one barely can fit.
In a Jamaican household, when it's Christmas time, you know the first thing that I have to do: new sheets, new curtains,
Cheese and
new
peas.
bath mats.
Clean. We have it clean.
That was
Everything
pretty
is spotless. Clean.
Because you know all the family coming to somebody's
Yes,
house.
somebody else I get rid down with food and
And you
things.
know that person have to have new sheet, new everything.
Yeah.
So the house can look the best.
And it's mostly white stuff, you know, like
No.
well,
It's mostly like decorating.
decoration. That goes for the other one. We'll paint. So
whose family paint the outside of the house when it comes to Christmas time? Because my mother always used to do it.
What we used to call it what? Whitewash? And you used to paint the walls and things like that? Yeah. Yo, every Christmas
And then you
time.
put up your lights outside because you have a fresh paint house and then you want your pepper lights.
Yo, you know my family robbed me some bonus though, cause I should get some bonus for that, you know. Should get some bonus money for that, you know.
It's your house.
It don't matter. It don't matter. Maybe whitewash it, me need to get some bonus too.
Well, that's another thing. Christmas bonus. Everybody looks
Christmas
forward to
bonus.
a Christmas bonus.
In America, them don't know what name Christmas bonus.
Not all.
Not all. I would
But
say most places, but yeah, I think that's a Jamaican thing really, or maybe
No,
a Caribbean thing as well.
Caribbean, probably.
Mostly Caribbean, but Jamaican when it comes to Christmas bonus, are like even if it's like Easter time, then we'll get one bun and cheese. You know, every Jamaican look for
And
bun and cheese.
and that brings us to the next one. You know, they give out ham. So
Yes.
you have to have your Christmas ham.
Christmas ham, me on ya.
And that's not like the sliced ham that you see here, like
The big hefty ham.
the big one with the skin, and you have to put it in the oven, take off the skin.
The one that me and Danielle can cook.
Basically.
Basically.
But Chad don't eat.
Yeah, I don't eat pork, so if you guys didn't know, just comment down
Oh,
below.
God.
We don't eat pork. Hashtag
I will eat the Christmas
fire
ham
bun
for
pork.
you. No.
Hashtag fire bun pork.
I will eat all the ham for you.
No, I'm good.
I'll eat that.
No, don't
I'll
eat
eat double.
No.
And then give you a
Palm
big
tree.
kiss.
Palm trees not eating no pork around here.
Yes, palm trees
Just
eating
joking.
pork.
If you want to eat pork, you can eat the pork.
Okay, the next thing we do, we always go to church Christmas Eve.
Yes, church is like a must. Actually, like it is a must.
Because you wouldn't have Christmas if you never had God.
That's like going for like Easter time too as well.
Yeah, we'll go for Easter
Yeah.
and New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve as well. Yo, that's nice. That's like, and it's not only you going, it's like your whole family going and
Yeah.
you're celebrating, and you know.
And you give thanks for all the food you're about to
Yeah.
eat.
Yeah.
All the food you're about to eat.
Let's talk about the food though.
Because you know, when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna have your ackee and your saltfish. You know, you have your Jamaican breakfast.
Yes, you have your regular breakfast, and then you start clean down the house. You make sure everything's spotless clean, cause you know the people them come over.
And you know them gonna watch everything that you have in your house.
One thing your mother can't do is of course upon Christmas.
Yes, she can.
Yeah, no, she can. No matter if it's Christmas or your
No
birthday,
matter
she's
what
still
day.
a cuss.
Until the people come and then she behave like she nice.
Yeah, she behaves like she's nice. But then she goes two singers. You know, you want me to tell you to do.
So another popular thing that Jamaicans have is Grand Market, where you have all the vendors and you buy any last minute stuff,
Yeah.
and you have Starlight, the guy selling Starlights outside, all of
When Grand Market come, everybody there road. You see me?
Christmas Eve, everybody
You see me?
on the road.
Me never there road. You know why? I couldn't go a road. Me too rude.
You're damn right.
Yeah, me did too
You're
rude to
still
go a
too
road.
rude.
Yeah, so I couldn't go to Grand Market, but I've experienced it once in my life and it was pretty
too.
fun.
I think I did.
I loved it. And it's like a festive, like
Yeah.
everybody comes around and partying
Yeah,
in here
you
drinking.
really feel the Christmas.
Yeah, it does sound Christmas vibes, yo.
But Christmas wouldn't be Christmas in Jamaica without sorrel.
Sorry. Oh
You know
my
it's
god.
Christmas time when you see all the sorrel come home.
I have the only sorrel I like though, people. Oh, that goes to mention eggnog too. Anyways, we're going to get to eggnog too. Only sorrel I like, guys, is when it's not so much ginger, cause people would ginger it over and you
I
can't
don't
taste
care.
sorrel. I want to taste sorrel.
I'll drink any sorrel.
Yeah, no, I love sorrel. And I think Trinidad, people from Trinidad love sorrel too. And they have it during Christmas time. But to what I was saying though, the eggnog. Oh my
You're the only
god.
one that likes eggnog.
Eggnog. Not, oh god, eggnog. If I could drink eggnog every Sunday.
That would
Every
send me
Sunday.
straight to the bathroom.
Back in my days when I drink eggnog.
Back in your days?
Yeah,
How old
back in my days.
Like last week when you were drinking eggnog?
I was actually drinking eggnog last week.
Okay, so the next thing is fruit cake.
Fruit
Well,
cake.
kind of like fruit cake, rum cake, because you know they
Yeah.
use the red wine to soak the fruits, and then they might. So you know once this fruit starts soaking, it's Christmas time.
People, what I'm going to tell you is be aware of some rum cake out there, because some of them rum cakes, them be strong liquor, and when them rum with the rum full up,
Oh my god.
you can't get drunk off it.
Anyways, rum cake, you know.
Actually, yes, even rum punch too. They even
Yeah.
actually make rum punch.
But rum cake is a must.
Rum cake is a must to have at a Jamaican dinner.
And then rice and peas, but you know on Christmas you get gungo peas.
Yes, gungo peas. Oh my god, I love gungo peas.
Me
If I
too.
can choose rice
That's
and
my favorite.
actually rice and peas kind of.
No,
sucks.
my favorite is gungo peas.
Yeah, gungo peas. It just depends on who can cook the you know, who can cook the peas better, you know?
No.
It just depends on who can cook the peas better.
Can you cook the peas?
No, I can't cook the peas.
So you don't have no say.
Yeah, so no, basically, I don't have no say.
But Christmas dinner is not Christmas dinner without the Christmas carols. So
Yeah.
you know Mariah Carey, that album,
Right.
my mother played that every single year. Mariah Carey Christmas album.
It's the only time we listen to Christmas gospel music. It's
Well, it's Christmas.
God no, hey, I'm gonna tell you now, from 7 o'clock in the morning, straight
From the
back,
breakfast to the cleaning to the dinner.
straight back, you know, word for word, because you know what's playing next, you know what's coming next, you know everything, because it's the same thing played over and over.
And then you have your curry goat. That's just something that you always have at Christmas.
Yeah, yo, curry goat is shot, yo. Comment down if you love curry goat, and don't say goat curry. It's not goat curry, it's curry goat.
It's curry goat.
Yeah.
Sorry guys.
Yeah.
I had
Whoever
to-
said goat curry,
They really say always say chicken
reverse
curry.
it back.
Chicken curry.
Yeah, that no look good.
Christmas dinner is not Christmas dinner if you don't have on a new outfit.
Yes, a new outfit is a must. Like it's you actually.
You bring out your best Christmas outfit.
Yeah, actually, even sometime I think 1 year, like not even 1 year, almost every year, my mother would give me the first gift is a clothes, because she tell me say put on that later. So just open that. She just tells you open that. Hey, you put that
Me
on
too.
later.
Every time I get Christmas clothes, that's what I wear for Christmas dinner. So you open your presents early in the
Bling,
morning,
bling, you know.
and then you wear the new clothes
Mhm.
for Christmas dinner.
Yeah, and then you know if you get some jewelry, you have to rock the jewelry too, you know.
You rock everything that you get as Christmas presents.
Yeah, it's like you wear everything. If you get out 2 shoes, you wear the same 2 shoes, the same.
No.
I joke.
Oh my god. So guys, comment down below. Tell us what is your Christmas tradition.
Yeah.
If you're not from Jamaica, tell us what you do for Christmas that's different.
Anywhere from the Caribbean, from the US, Canada, even UK, want to do traditional, what you guys from your family, what you guys do, like open gifts together at like 8 p.m. or something like that, comment down below that. Smash the like button right now. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below any Jamaican thing that we miss or any Caribbean thing we miss. Comment down below right now. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the support. And we're going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out time.
What?
First notification shout out goes to
Devante Hines.
Devante Hines, pick up your damn self. You're going right over Danielle. Stop right there. Second notification shout out goes to
Nastasia Morgan.
Nastasia Morgan, pick up your damn self. We're going right here. Third and final notification shout out goes to
Shay Alicia.
Shay Alicia, pick up your damn self. You're going right over Danielle. Hit top right here. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this family. We are
And we just
growing.
want to wish you guys Merry Christmas,
Yes.
Happy Holidays. If we don't get to talk to you,
We're actually gonna talk to you, so
we're gonna talk to you, but
don't worry.
if you don't watch it before Christmas, you know, Happy
Yes.
Holidays, Merry
Happy
Christmas.
holidays.
We will be in
Canada.
Canada.
Canada. I've
So-
never been to Canada. I'm going to Canada, so get ready.
We're gonna spend Christmas with my family.
This video will be posted when we're in Canada.
So we're gonna spend Christmas with my family, well, my father's side of the family this year. So it's a little bit different, and we're gonna bring you along. So I'm sure we'll see you on Christmas Day.
Thank you guys so much again for the support. We really appreciate you guys.
And we love you. That's my heart. Can you see it? Look.
And we are out.
Really?